Okay, this is Dwight Goins and Melani Roger. Final project for embedded. I feel a little under the weather, so if I sound congested, it's because I am. In any case, in this project, we attempted to make a smart home replica with the ESP microcontroller. So let me turn on the lights to show you what we have here. So what we have here is we have, just like in our midterm, the light sensor, thermometer. We have our lights in the back here. And what we added, and we have our servo motor and infrared sensor. The servo motor and infrared sensors are not hooked up at the present point in time. We also originally hooked up the this sensor as well, which is another IR sensor, and this DC motor, but we don't have the board to control the motor. In any case, the thought would be, that what we could do is we could mimic the ability of controlling various different points in the house. So we could control, for example, the fan by hitting the light switch. We can control the thermometer. Through Bluetooth, we can control different aspects. So the first thing we have is a microphone here. We have two microphones. This is a microphone, and this is a microphone. This microphone just detects sounds such as loud noises. It can be used for alarms. So whenever I clap, what's going to happen here, if it detects a large sound, you'll see the blue light right here come on. So that's like your clap on, clap off. And then we have the microphone here that can actually detect what type of sound, listen for barks, listen for people talking, and do voice recognition. So if you use the right words, what we could do is we could tell the system to turn on certain things. So try not to say the right words. So for example, you could tell the system. So on my left hand side here, you see the serial monitor that's monitoring the output. I couldn't do this inside of the Arduino because the code started getting too big and it said it was too large for the sketch file. So I had to move into Visual Studio Code and do it. And let me restart to show you. It uses the internet. So it uses the Wi-Fi on the ESP to send the voice commands up to Azure and over a web server socket layer. And so first thing you do, you can see here that it sets up the microphone, and you can see we're connected to an endpoint here utilizing this web server socket, okay, which is my endpoint. And I'm connected using my home network. Okay, so now that I'm connected, I have the ability to say if I want to, I don't know, let's try toggle the controls. So it toggles all the lights on. So if I say it again, toggle the controls, it turns the lights off. So if I try to say turn on the lights, so you'll see that it's getting the commands here for turning on the lights and different things of that nature. So if I wanted to, I could tell it something like, let me see if I remember this. It's getting hot in here. Turn down the heat. Okay, so that could change the thermometer setting by turning the heat down, as you can see right here in the words, and so on and so forth. So you could say things like, trying to remember. You could say like, turn up the TV. And I don't know if that one took. Oh, it got it. So it can, if it was connected to your TV, you can turn the sound of your TV up and things of that nature. All right. That concludes this demo. Thank you.